Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a full sun review of the Cafe Chic by BelleTress in the color Chocolate with Caramel. Before I do anything else, I'd like to give you a 360 view of what this wig looks like, so let me go ahead and kick things off now. This is in the color Chocolate with Caramel, and I've already done a review in much better lighting. I mean, as much as people think that full sun is really ideal for showing colors, it's not. It's too glary. It's really bad for showcasing colors, but it's great for showcasing the wigs. You can see all of the little dynamics of the texture. So I would never do color spotlights in this kind of lighting, but it's great for showing the hair itself. For instance, you can tell that even though this is a nice dark color, that there's not a lot of glare on this wig. It's really because this heat defiant fiber from the BelleTress line is really low shine. It's very natural looking. It's very pretty actually, and it's got a great feel to it. The the front on Cafe Chic is 8 inches, the sides are 9, the nape is 3.5, the back is 10, and the overall, depending on where you're measuring, I mean, let's just say, let's go from the top of the crown down to the bottom, is about 10 inches. So this is a really classic sort of blunt bob that's got these sort of shaggy ends, razor cut, kind of edgy ends. Really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Oh, and by the way, great side coverage. You saw that I was tucking this behind my ear when I was showing this one off. Great side coverage. So Cafe Chic has a left-hand monofilament side part, a lace front. This one's a nice standard length. This one seems to have a pretty generous cap, by the way. Has really nice fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs. No extended nape, but it does have a nice band of fuzzy felt here. Adjusts a bit like a bra strap in the back. Does have a bit of permatease up here at the top, but very, very light amounts. Open on the sides, open on the back. Moderately stretchy here in the back. Yeah, it's pretty dense. Kind of hard to showcase actually, but you can kind of see a whiff of it. Might be a little easier when I put it back on and see that color. Very pretty. Looks really nice and vibrant in the sunlight. It's a bit more subdued in indoor lighting, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on. And side note, this BelleTress heat-friendly fiber feels delicious. It's really luscious feeling. It's one of my favorite heat-friendly synthetic fibers. This has been my review of the Cafe Chic by BelleTress in the color Chocolate with Caramel. This is a really nice heat styleable synthetic wig by BelleTress. My name is Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews, and we'll be bringing you lots more. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.